Hello guys. My name is Adam. Want to make money, but you're not sure where to start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. And you're not alone. Some 16% of adults performed a side gig in the previous month to help them make extra money, and, of those, 64% spent less than 20 hours doing those jobs during that period, according to the Economic Well-Being of U.S. Households in 2021 report, released in May 2022 by the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System. NerdWallet rounded up 25 real ways to make money at home, online, or out and about. For each potential side job, we list details like what it takes to get started, age requirements, and how fast you can get paid. While most people want to make money fast, don't discount the slow gigs, as they may pay more in the long run. Making money online is the sweet spot people look for in the gig economy. Whether you aspire to be a six-figure social media influencer or are just looking to supplement your regular income with some online side jobs, we've found some viable options. In the next video, we'll work on it. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.